Whenever market trend breakouts, you will get calls like a signal in this chart. Today it's a budget day, February 1st. After market opening 9:19, after 4 minutes of market opening, sell call generated, red candle open. Like this daily basis, it will analyze the market movement and generate calls like a signal, green signal like that signals automatically. So how you are watching the video right now, daily you are going to watch this chart, get the call, you can place the orders in your broker account. Through this entry point, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. For more plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. During this day, the sell call came at 46,208, that straight white line from red candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point range, 46,093. So from 208 to 46,093. Let's wait and see. In 10 minutes of sell call generated, market successfully break out the first target range of 46,093, and after a quite a volatile from up and down momentum, it break out the second target range also. So from 46,208, market break out 46,000 range, more than a 200-point downside momentum in this bank nifty market. If you want this chart for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will send you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.